To set custom ringtone in Pixel 8, I will start first with individual contacts. So open the Contacts app and then select the contact you want a custom ringtone for. Then tap the triple dots and select Set Ringtone. This will set a custom ringtone for this individual contact. If you tap My Sounds, you can tap the plus to add an MP3 file which is saved on your device. For all contacts, open Settings, and from the home page, you're going to locate where it says Sound and Vibration. Then you're going to locate Phone Ringtone, and whatever you set here will apply to all contacts which don't have an individual ringtone set.